Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Also subscribe.
Hey, what is up guys, it's me, Senseless Gamer, and as you guys can see, I got a new haircut. But that's besides the point. Today, it's kind of a shorter video, and sorry, I just hooked up right there. But today, I'm going to put my Xbox 360, Payday 2, into my Xbox One, oh my god, to see what happens, because I would like to see if I would like to see if I can actually play an Xbox 360 game on my Xbox One, because I paid a lot of money for all my Xbox 360 games, and I can't play them on my Xbox One, I'm guessing. But I know I have gotten some digital backwards I knew that was coming. Backwards compatible games. I already downloaded it, but I already downloaded the backward compatible games. So right now, we're going to see if Payday 2 that dropped on the ground is able to go into Xbox One. So let's see. So as you can see, my Payday 2. Oh my god, Hiccups. Nothing's in there. So let's put it in. Hope that doesn't kill my Xbox. Let's see what it says. This game isn't playable here. For a list of Xbox 360 playable on Xbox One, go to... Okay. Well, that kind of sucked. That really sucks. Because now I have to go buy a new Payday 2 for my Xbox One. Yay. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. So, I guess you can go to xbox.com/backcompat, and you guys can see what games are, oh my god, compatible. And I guess I will have that down in the description below. So yeah, peace out. Peace out, guys. Keep it real.